Good morning, my dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. I'm also well. This is Khosruzaman from Milestone Preparatory KG School before you. Today, I'm going to take your English class. So, my dear student, before going to the today's lesson, I'll ask you the previous lesson. Can you tell me what was your previous lesson? Yes, you are right. Your previous lesson was short composition about your school. I know that all of you have prepared your lesson very well. Can you tell me? Okay. What is the name of your school? Yes, the name of my school is Milestone Preparatory KG School. Where is it? It is at Uttara in Dhaka. How many students are there in your school? There are 700 students in our school. How many teachers are there in your school? Yes, there are 50 teachers in our school. Okay, my dear student, I can understand that all of you have prepared your previous lesson very well. Okay, my dear student? Thank you. Now, let's go to the today's lesson. My dear student, today's new lesson is form completion. Learning outcomes of today's lesson. After completing this lesson, student will be able to learn about different type of forms, write the forms correctly, write their personal informations. Okay, my dear student? So, my dear student, this question item is in class 3, in class 4 and in class 5. If you learn well, then it will be very easy for you to complete the form. Okay? And it will be very helpful for you to get the good marks. Student, if you want to fill up the form correctly, at first you have to understand the question. Okay? So, my student, there will be some difficult words, and you, the students of class 3, that's why the meaning of the difficult words should be known. That's why I have written here, imagine or suppose, meaning মনে করা or কল্পনা করা. My dear student, for your better understanding, I have written the meaning in Bangla. Suppose or imagine means কল্পনা করা or মনে করা. Occupation or profession. Occupation or profession means পেশা. Permanent means স্থায়ী. Address means ঠিকানা. Present address means বর্তমান ঠিকানা. Nationality means জাতীয়তা, hobby means শখ, date of birth means জন্ম তারিখ, and contact number means যোগাযোগের জন্য phone number. Okay, my dear student, all of you should memorize the meaning of these difficult words. Okay, my dear student, today's lesson is form completion. So at first we'll know what is form. Form is a piece of paper in which we write our information. Okay, suppose you want to be a member of a language club. So at first you have to fill up a form with your information. Okay, so my dear student, there are different type of forms in different offices. Okay, my dear student, there are different type of forms. They are admission form, membership form, scholarship form, money order form, account form, library card form, entry form, personal information form, identity card form, birth certificate form. My dear student, let's know what are these. Okay, admission form. My dear student, what is admission form? Admission form is a form which is to fill up when you want to take admission in a university, college, in a coaching center or anywhere. So if you want to take admission in coaching or school or university or anywhere else, then you have to fill the admission form. Okay, my dear student? My dear student, there are different type of forms. They are admission form, membership form, scholarship form, money order form, account form, library card form, entry form, personal information form, identity card form, birth certificate form. So let us know what are these. Okay, my dear student, admission. What is admission form? My dear student, suppose you want to take admission in a college, university or in a school or in a coaching center, then you have to fill up the admission form. Okay, now membership form. My dear student, suppose there is a club in your locality, or there is a swimming club in your locality, or there is a language club in your locality. If you want to be a member of the language club, then you have to fill up the membership form. Then you can be the member of that language club, swimming club or anywhere else. Okay, my dear student? Then scholarship form. Suppose you want to get scholarship from a university, from a college or a school, or from any foreign university, then you have to fill up the scholarship form. Money order form. What is money order form? Suppose you want to send money to your parents, then you have to fill up the money order form in a post office. Okay, my dear student? Account form. What is account form? Suppose you want to open a bank account, so bank will give you the account form. After completing the account form, you can open the bank account. Okay, my dear student? Now, library card form. Suppose there is a library in your school, in your university, but you want to be a member of that library. But if you are not the member of the library, you cannot take the book from there. That's why at first you have to be a member of the library, and before becoming the member of the library, at first you have to fill up the library card form. Then you will be the member of the library. Okay, my dear student? Then entry form. Suppose you are the inhabitant of Bangladesh, my dear student, entry form. What is entry form? Suppose you are the inhabitant of Bangladesh, but you want to go to England, America or any European country, then you have to fill up the entry form. Okay, then personal information form. Suppose you want to get a job in a office or in a company or anywhere else, then at first you have to fill up the personal information form. That means, who are you, where are you from, what is your address, what is your nationality, okay, what is your contact number, okay. So this information will be needed. Okay, my dear student. Then identity card form. So my dear student, if you are a student of a college or a university or of a company or factory, then identity card must be taken or must be taken. Okay, my dear student. Then you have to fill up the identity card form. Okay, then birth certificate form. You know that this is very important, birth certificate form, birth certificate. And if you want to have the birth certificate, then you have to fill up the birth certificate form. Okay, then they will give you the birth certificate form. My dear student, you can understand that it is very important how to fill up the form and how to fill up the form correctly. It is very important for you and for us. Okay, my dear student. My dear student, there are different type of forms. Now I'll show you a form which is submitted by a person in an office. Okay, my dear student, here you can see the form is about personal information. Okay, so my dear student, here is written name Akash Zaman, father's name Ajwad Ali, mother's name Aisha Ali, home address Deobari, Turag, Uttara, Dhaka 1230. Contact number is 01648485146. And here you can see signature Akash Zaman. So my dear student, this is one kind of form, and here you have seen that how to fill it out. Okay, my dear student. My dear student, open your CW and we will write 3 number form, page 121. So my dear student, read the question first. Imagine you want to be a member of a youth club. Now fill the form out with the information about yourself. So my dear student, that means you want to be a member of this club. Okay, the name of this club is Motizhil Youth Club. Okay, so my dear student, and what information you have to give? Here is written your name, your father's name, your mother's name, your date of birth, your class and your hobbies. So these information should be written here, your address here and your photo. So my dear student, suppose your name is Adnan Khan. So write here Adnan Khan. Adnan Khan. And your father's name is Selim Khan. So write here Selim Khan. Selim Khan. And your mother's name is Amina Khan. Amina Khan. Your date of birth is 10th 05 2013. Okay, and what class are you in? Yes, class 3. And your hobbies, your favorite work. Okay, so right here, football and cricket. Then your signature, if you don't give signature, then it will be invalid. Okay, so right here, signature Adnan Khan. Okay, my dear student, in this way you have to fill the form out. Okay, my dear student. Now form number 4. My dear student, again I am telling how will you fill up the form. At first you will read the question. Okay, imagine, okay, you want to be a member of a youth club. That means it's a club. So you want to be a member of that club. Now you have to fill up the form with your information. So at first you will write your name. Your name is Adnan Khan. Then your father's name, you will write your father's name here, Selim Khan. And your mother's name is Amina Khan. Your date of birth is 10th May 2013. Class, you are a student of class 3, so you will write 3. And your hobbies, that means your favorite work, football and cricket. And at last, Adnan Khan, your signature. Okay, then here photo. So in this way you will fill up the form. Okay, my dear student. Now we'll write form number 4. So my dear student, at first read the question first. Suppose you want to be a member of a theater. Now fill the form out with information about yourself. That means this is the name of the theater, Dhaka Theatre, Dhaka, and this is the membership form. That means you want to be a member of this theater. Okay, so you have to fill up the form it out. Okay, my dear student, at first you have to write your and what information you have to give. Here is written your name, your father's name, your mother's name, your date of birth, your class and your hobbies. Okay, then signature and photo. Okay, all this information should be given by you. Okay, my dear student, first your name is, suppose your name is Enamul Haq. Right here, Enamul Haq. Okay, and your father's name is Aminul Haq. Aminul Haq. Your mother's name is, yes, Lima Akhtar. Okay, Lima Akhtar. And your date of birth is 15/02/2013 and class 3. And your hobbies, painting and reading. Okay, my dear student, now what will you write? Yes, your signature. Right here, Inamul Haq. Inamul Haq. Okay, my dear student. Then you will give photo. So, my dear student, again I am telling, your name is Inamul Haq. Your father's name is Aminul Haq. Your mother's name is Lima Akhtar. Your date of birth is 15/02/2013, class 3, and hobbies painting and reading. My dear student, we have written 2 forms. Now I'll see how much attentive you are in my class. Okay, I have given the form for you. Okay, and you will fill it up. My dear student, here the question, read the question first. Suppose you are Tamim, you want to be a member of a language club. Now fill the form out with your information about yourself. So my dear student, here you can see language club, a club or a place where you can learn a foreign language or any kinds of language. Okay, so my dear student, here the language club is at Uttara, Dhaka. So now fill the form out. So my dear student, how will you write the information? Yes, at first you will write the information about yourself, my dear student. You will write at first your name. So what is your name? Yes, you are Tamim. Okay, so write here Tamim. Tamim. Father's name? Yes, you will write your father's name. Aminul Islam. Yes, then mother's name? Yes, Khalida Khatun. And your date of birth? Yes, 20/02/2014. Okay, my dear student, and class 3. And your hobbies? Watching cartoons and reading. Now what will you do? Yes, your signature, Tamim, right here. Yes. Okay, so my dear student, thank you for being attentive in my class. My dear student, you will practice and write the form again and again. It will be very helpful for you to write the form in the exam correctly. Okay, my dear student? My dear student, we are at the last session of the class. Now I'll give you homework. Okay, my dear student? So take your diary. Your homework is EGB book page 121, form completion 3-4, and homework 41, form number 4. So my dear student, you will do the homework correctly and submit it to your concerned teacher. In the next class, see you again. Allah Hafiz.